Hey everyone, Bob Thibodeau here with session two of our Walk to Financial Freedom without breaking the bank or pocketbook and doing that. Today we're talking about the $500 compounding strategy, building Bitcoin value returns without having to own a mining farm to do it. Now, if you missed video one where I talked about the actual costs of trying to mine your own Bitcoin, if you missed it, go watch because the cost factor on that is just astounding. And the other options is to, well, let's put it like this. Over the past several months, I've been researching different ways to build up Bitcoin value returns. Okay. Like many of you, I looked at mining and investing and the typical just, okay, we're just going to buy Bitcoin and hold it and hope for the best. But none of them really worked for what I was trying to accomplish. Think about it. If you invested $100 a month in Bitcoin, so you got $1,200 over the year, and Bitcoin went from $100,000 to $200,000, you just doubled your money. Okay. Your $1,000 or $1,200 became $2,400. You can't retire on that, right? I wanted something that was safer than the traditional mining that we covered in video one. It didn't require me to spend $20,000 or $50,000 up front and could actually bring in returns equivalent to owning a Bitcoin, but without all the overhead. And that's what we're going to be talking about. Okay. After digging around and testing and researching and running numbers, I believe I've found the acceptable alternative. It's still Bitcoin mining, but not like you think. Okay, this is Bitcoin mining without the expensive overhead. You're not going to buy any machines. You're not paying for massive electricity bills. You're not worrying about cooling systems or equipment maintenance. And you're not gambling $200,000 to mine one Bitcoin. Instead, you're joining forces with other people just like us. Other, they're in a professionally managed Bitcoin mining farm. You're leveraging that infrastructure. You're leveraging their equipment. You're leveraging their power rates, which are often far lower than what you'd get at home privately. And you're leveraging their maintenance system, their teams. They're taking care of all of it. And you're getting a share by helping them cover those expenses. They're rewarding you in the process. Okay. You're not doing this mining all by yourself. You're participating in a shared mining contract. That's why you can start with as little as $500 and still benefit from the same mining power that usually requires tens of thousands of dollars to success and just access it. It's the power of compounding in shared mining. Here's how it works. You enter into a short-term mining contract. Your $500 gets you a share of the farm's hash power. Remember, we covered hash power and the hash rates and all that in video one. Every day, you receive your share of the mining rewards that they have accomplished. After a few days, you take the profits and you can roll them into a new contract, a higher contract, or you can take it and walk away. Each reinvestment, though, would increase the amount of your daily earnings. It's Bitcoin mining, but without having to own a farm to do it. You're simply leveraging professional grade operations without all of the personal expense. So the goal, is Bitcoin value income without the Bitcoin mining overhead. In session one, we saw that just mining just one Bitcoin yourself could cost over $211,000 in hardware and electricity and maintenance and expenses. By using this shared mining infrastructure, you bypass those massive upfront costs. There's no equipment for you to buy, no huge electric bills to pay, no tech headaches. You're not going to be waking up at 3 o'clock in the morning because the power went out on your Bitcoin farm or your three or four machines that you might have. Yet, through strategic compounding, you can grow your returns to the equivalent of a Bitcoin value income stream. And we're going to show you in about an 18 to 20 month window. Amen. So the next steps we'll talk about is mapping the compounding blueprint. So in the next session, I'll show you the step-by-step roadmap we're going to use. How to go from $500 to $20,000 per month in mining-based returns. the reinvestment cycles that will multiply your results, and how this shared mining strategy scales without you putting your savings at risk. It's mining power made accessible and scalable for everyday people just like you and me. So stay tuned for session 3. Now, if you want to start reviewing the platform I'm talking about and getting a feel for the concept I'm doing and the way to become basically financially free to fund your ministry or your business or your goals or dreams, click this link down below. Start reviewing the website on how all this works. You can even sign up for a free $10 contract and earn 60 cents in that one-day contract just to get a feel for it. And just a note, this link is an affiliate link, and I'll get a boost in my earnings if you decide to join this platform and follow along with me in the process. It doesn't cost you anything. In fact, when you sign up, you'll be given your own affiliate link as well. And you can share that with others and boost your contracts at the same time. It's win-win-win all the way across the board. So be sure to come back for the next video as we are proceeding together in a walk to become financially free and not break your pocketbook, your bank account in the process. Amen. Till next time, Pastor Bob reminding you, we are going to be blessed in all that we do.